So guys, in this video, I'm going to tell you that why you have to get excited about your future and whatever the process you are going on right now to achieving your goals. Why you have to be feel positive. Why you have to go with a full of passion, and why you have to build the positivity around yourself. And what is the importance of all those things? I'm going to explain in this video. So guys, my name is Virendra, and I'm here to help 100,000 students to build their TED lifestyle. So guys, if you are like for example, if you have some goals and you have started achieving those goals, but you know what, most people, what they think, that if I have to become successful, if I have to achieve this goal, if I have some big dream, then what they think, that I will gonna, and most people, like the people who think wrong in a wrong way, like wrong mindset, if they didn't program their mind in the right way, then what they will think, that to become successful, to achieve those things, I have to like fight for this, I have to get this, like I will started feeling depressed, I will be alone in this process, and I will be get hates, or people will don't like me, and those like all kind of negative things. They started thinking about all the negative things, what actually to become successful, what kind of negativity you have to actually face. But if you focus on those things, what will happen? You will start attracting more problems in your life, attracting more discomfort in your life, like the wrong things. And you know what, why this happened? Because they don't know how they're programmed their mind before starting their journey. That's why I keep saying that mindset is very important thing to start on your goals, to start doing what you have to achieve, to go in a process where you truly want to be very passionate about what are the things you are doing. you, you should have to follow in a way that if you are going to, like if you have some goals and you are trying to achieve those goals, so you have the mindset that whatever the things you are doing, you should feel positive. Like for example, if you have like did some workout on fitness, then you should be happy that you have invested your time on your health, and you have little bit forced yourself to become better, and like improve, you have invested your time in health. And so whatever things you are, like for example, if you're reading books also, if you will feel very proud that you have actually give time to invest on, to raise your mindset, to raise your knowledge, to learn something new. So whatever things you are doing, if you follow in a right mindset, that if you have to achieve this success, like if you have to achieve this goal, you have started focusing on the positive things. Like I have to be very positive, I have to be I have to be very passionate about those things, I love to do all those things. After I wake up until I go for a sleep, I would always think about how I can improve it, how I can make better, and what are the things I can do as much as I can. So if you start thinking in that way, then what will happen? You will attract all those things, all the passion, all the people, that kind of peoples, and the way how you see yourself, how you see other people, how they're like, everything you start see the changes in yourself, everything, and you will start loving the process. That is the most important thing. You start loving the process, because the people with the wrong mindset, they will see that this is a struggle, this is like something I have to fight for it, I have to go, I have to reject it by everyone. So they started thinking in the wrong way, so they will attract all those kind of things, and they will just, without even having a problem, they will start creating problem in their mind only. But if you have a right mindset to achieve a goal, what will happen? If there is a problem, you want to solve it, because you know that if I have a problem, I have to give time to find out what is the solution. And if you find solution, you are ready to, that means you are actually ready to actually face any kind of problem, because everything starts with here and it will end with result. What kind of result, whatever kind of action you are taking. So if you have to change your action, you have to change this. But for that, you have to know what kind of goals you have, and you have to go in a very positive way. Don't think in a wrong way. Take it in a positive way. Be excited about what are the things you are doing, and then you will start achieving all those kind of things. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video, and if you truly like this video, I want you to make sure you hit a like and subscribe button. And I'm gonna upload more videos like this, and I can truly want to provide valuable information to you, and I will try my best to provide value as much as I can. So that's all, and have a great day.